Guys, this is the first video for CJ's journey. That's right, this is my new channel here. So far, let's bring you up to speed. Well, I am a cooking creator. My main channel here on YouTube is Cooking with CJ, right? My secondary channel is CJ's Q, so I'm all about food, right? Well, recently, in February of this year, which is 2025, I decided to take myself on a journey of getting healthy, getting my strength back, trying to get off all the pills that I'm on. And I'll throw a link in here if I can. If it's not in the comments, it'll be, up on top here somewhere. I'm shooting this vertical because I'm going to pull some shorts out of it probably. On this channel, I'm going to shoot a lot of stuff vertical like this just because it's going to be easier for me to film while I'm working out or any of that stuff, right? So, what am I going to show you on this? Well, everything up to this point, from February to now, which is April 16th, I've been working at getting stronger. I have an indoor gym here, and I'll overlay it over this. I have a Peloton, have the elliptical, Olympic weight set, dumbbells, all that stuff. So pretty much, well, every day from this last 2.5 months, I've worked out somehow, ran, lifted, walked, whatever, sometimes twice a day, right? Just to get myself ready to do the 75 hard challenge, all right? And that's what I'm going to be doing with this one. And I'm going to take you along that journey of the 75 hard and then beyond as I decide to, ramp this up or keep it going through phases 2 and 3 of 75 hard. Okay. So hope you guys are willing to come along with me on this. You're going to see the struggles. You're going to see the pain. You're going to see all that stuff. I'm going to talk to you what I'm going through, right? I'm just going to talk it out, right? I mean, you're coming along this ride with me. I'm going to be honest with you. Probably not a lot of cuts in my videos. You're going to hear me breathing through it. All that stuff that I try to tighten up in my cooking videos and all that. I'm just going to do it. I'm going to talk to you, and this is how it's going to be, okay? So I am ready to go for 75 hard. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with what 75 hard is, it's not a weight loss challenge. It is more of a discipline challenge. And obviously, you can see in my life that I lack some discipline, especially in controlling my food intake or exercise or any of that stuff, keeping my health in check. I lack that. So with the 75 hard, I'll throw a little screenshot of it, right here somewhere you can see it. Got to work out twice a day, right? Now I've been doing once a day and then walking in the evening, so I'm pretty much there, but the timing needs to be 45 minutes per thing, and one of them needs to be outside, okay? Normally my workouts take about a half hour. My walks take about 20 minutes. So we're going to increase that a little bit too, right? I want to get to those 45 minutes at least, right? When I'm doing my workouts. So before I was doing weightlifting and all that, and then just, finishing my workout and going inside. Now it's going to be 20 minutes on the elliptical and, get that going too. So that'll be my, basically 45 minutes inside, which will be in the gym, my gym behind me. And then my other workout, outside workout, will probably continue to be walking, just increasing it, try to increase the pace, get the heart rate up. I'll throw some sprints in there, some, running, hiking. I may even just take some of the dumbbells out to the backyard and just get a lift in outside. You never know, but I'm going to keep it that way. Keep it fun like that. Right. And then, so 2 workouts, got to read 10 pages of nonfiction, a day. So I have 2 books that I have already lined up. I ordered them, got them here today. One is about discipline. So now I'm going to follow that one. And then, I'll probably get through, 2 or 3 books during this 75 hard. So I may have to get another one. And then drink a gallon of water a day. So I got a big old jug from Under Armour. It is a 64 ounce container. So I need to drink 2 of those in a day, right? In order not to be up all night peeing, I'm planning on drinking 1 of those by noon every day. and then have another one done by 4 o'clock every day. So I have at least 5 hours to get it all out of my system in the evening. So that's the plan with that. And then I'll, substitute some bottles of waters here and there and all that. But you cannot flavor this water. You're just going for it, right? You just got to drink the water. It's part of the discipline. It's the discipline of getting it in every day. Okay. What else? Got to follow a diet plan. Well, so I'm going to, and I have been. That's why I spent the last 2.5 months ramping up into being able to do this. So I didn't jump head first into it. I wanted to be able to get in there and be successful and not freaking hurt myself on the first day, right? So the diet plan I follow is a very high protein macro, very low carb macro, which is not keto, but I lower the carbs under 100 grams a day, and then low fat content too. It's about 150 grams. So I'll put up what my weight shows that I should be doing right now, so you can see where I'm at with that. Let's see here. Got to take a progress picture. So every day I'm going to stand in front of my pantry there. It's a nice barn door thing. I'm going to take a picture, shirt off. You'll see all of it. And same spot every day, right? Take a picture. No booze, which is not a big deal. I don't really drink that much, even though my cooking set is like a bar behind me. I don't really drink that much, so I don't think that'll be a hard problem. And you cannot have a cheat meal. There's no cheat meals. So whatever diet you're following, you cannot cheat on it. You cannot have a day where it's like, screw it, I'm going to eat, all these things that blow out your macros, right? I keep myself at a calorie deficit too. So that'll be part of the diet. That'll be like right now I'm keeping myself under 2,500 calories a day. As I lose more weight, I'll drop that down, and eventually it'll be under 2,000 calories a day. So that's kind of where that's at. I'm trying to think, am I forgetting something? Progress picture, no, work outside. I think that's about it. If I do miss something, I'll throw it up on the screen so you can see. But I think I got everything. All right. Guys, kind of talked through this a little bit too much, or not too much. I'm telling you exactly what I'm doing. I hope you follow along with me on this one. This is going to be a good time. It's going to be a hard time, but think how good we're going to feel when we're done with this thing. And I'm going to try to post every day on that, on this channel. I'm like on that channel. Sorry. I deal with a lot of channels and social medias in my life. So I'm going to try to post every day on this channel. So you get to see the raw me, the real me. I'm probably do daily type vlogs, right? And then post them at night or first thing in the morning. So maybe a day behind, but that's it, guys. It's going to be a good time. I'm nervous as all get out, but I have been spending the last 2.5 months preparing for this. So let's go. Guys, like and subscribe, all that stuff. Let's grow this channel. Let's have some fun with it. You get to see me. So I'll tell you right now, I'm starting this off at 313 pounds. All right. I am 6'1", so 313 pounds. So you're going to see me drop there. The goal is to get to about 275 by the time we're done with this. And then be able to maintain that for a certain amount of time. My initial goal when I started this, and on that first video I put on my cooking channel, was to lose 50 pounds by July 1st. So February 1st to July 1st, lose 50 pounds. And then keep that off for a whole year, because next year I will be turning 50, right? So this year, July 6th, I turned 49. I want to keep that 50 pounds at least off through that whole next year. So that is the long-term goal from this. I have the plans in place. I've always said, and obviously I heard it somewhere, a goal without a plan is a wish. So I have a plan. We're going to make this work. It's going to be a good time. All right, guys. That's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Cheers.